Hi guys, FPJ here. Welcome to another episode of Unboxing with FPJ. This time we're gonna open up two packages na nakuha natin. Yo! So let's check it out. Okay, so we got actually two packages for today. This one came from the GeekTok family. So thank you very much to Galactic Shark and also GeekTokPH for this nice and alright package, which I think magiging uniform namin with the GeekTok family. Let's open this up, and we have so we have this GeekTokPH shirt. It's a black one. I chose it to be black kasi I like black shirts. Kita niyo naman. And of course, what's inside is this really nice shirt with the GeekTok logo. Ayan. Ayan. GeekTokPH. You can see if medyo mag-zoom tayo. You can actually see some characters. Ayun. Yeah. Yeah, masyado yata but you can see naman that there's actually characters inside the letters. It's nice and you know, bagay na bagay. And I think we'll actually wear it soon. So actually wear it for the TikToks I'll be doing for TikTok and also Pinoy comic style. Ayan. This came from their from their t-shirt line, which is this one. Cosmic Collection. Cosmic Collection actually makes a lot of shirts and kudos to them. Actually, it's nice. It's simple, but it's actually really good. Gusto ko yung design. Gusto ko yung ano. So there you have it. It's the GeekTokPH from Cosmic Collection. So if you're interested with checking out the other shirts, you can just go to Cosmic Collection's Facebook. Here, yan, nakikita nyo. And there you have it. Okay, again, Galactic Shark and GeekTokPH for this one. Alright! May pahabot. Alright! Right. So there you have it. That's this again from Cosmic Collection. Okay, let's move on to our next unboxing, which is this one. This is from Xiaomi. This is a Xiaomi LCD writing tablet. So, ang laki niya. If you would compare it with my tablet, actually, dito siya. It's big. Diba? I'll buksan natin para makita natin yung ano. So, there you go. Wow, may pen. And we have this big LCD na akala mo totoong tablet, pero it's not. It also has this button para siguro mag-erase. Kasi alam yung if you're familiar with yung writing boards ng 90s, diba, yung parang may silver. Ito naman, it's an LCD. And let's try it. At the box, ayan, laki. So it's still big compared to my iPad. Ayan. Pero hindi naman siya electronic tablet. So yun na lamang din yung iPad. So with this, you can actually draw words or actually draw pictures. So let's say my name. Ayan. I'm here. So thank you very much to Xiaomi for this one. Ayan. Tapos if I would erase it, pipindutin ko lang siguro to. And there you go. Wala na. So I could actually draw some things here. It's not battery operated. I think, there's may lock din pala. So para hindi aksidente mabura, let's say parang small circle, big circle. Ayan. Tapos, ayaw mo ilalak mo siya. So, hindi siya nabubura. Pero once you switch that, you can now make it disappear. Galing. So, it's simple, it's light. It's actually just for drawing and writing purposes, and of course you could actually store it somewhere. At saka feeling mo talaga may iPad ka. So, hindi siya nag-work with the hand because I guess it really works with the pen. Ayan. See naman, walang nangyayari, pero this one, see? And erase it, there you have it. So, thank you again to Xiaomi and Comco for sending this one. And also, they are actually launching their newest Pocophone, which I will show you the details soon in the blog. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to Manual to Life on all social media, including TikTok, where I am really active right now, and hopefully we'll grow the community from there. And also don't forget, yes, of YouTube and Facebook, kasi yun ang kailangan din natin i-push. So there you have it. You have the two items here, the GeekTokPH and the Xiaomi LCD writing tablet. So again, thank you very much for watching. This has been FPJ. Please also follow me on other social medias with FPJJR, and there you have it. So thank you very much for watching. This has been FPJ, and this has been Unboxing with FPJ. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.